Hello guys, welcome. Right now I want you to look at the number you are seeing on your screen. So over the last 3 weeks now, I dropped a video on my channel which every one of you was able to see that I was doing a challenge turning 10,000 into 100,000 within a month. And right now, as you can see, I was able to turn that 10k into the 75,000, which you are seeing on your screen right now. And I'm going to be walking you guys through the history. Okay, so for a few weeks now, this week I haven't taken any loss this week. I haven't taken any loss, which you can clearly see right here. There was no loss, and I dropped every single setup on my WhatsApp group because I create a WhatsApp group. So for the people that are interested on joining me trading the challenge, okay. And right now the account is already sitting at 75k. The total trade on this account was 15 trades. I lost 6 trades and I was able to secure 9 winning trades, and I lost 6. So that was thing that pushed the account into 75,000. So right now this video, I just want you to let you know how the account is currently going, and I've already created a step-by-step workflow that include every single thing that you are going to be doing when trading with. This is a strategy that I use. Okay, in this strategy I was working on this strategy for over 4 years of my trading career. Okay, and yes, I just want to prove the community that this strategy is very, very effective. That is why I started this challenge. Okay, so if you want to get the exact workflow, everything is in depth. I'm going to be putting it on the screen so which you can see it. So every time you wake up, just have to follow the rules of the journal. And I also create a master class tutorial which walks you guys through everything, including from down to the daily time frame into the 4 hours time frame, which you can use. And this strategy works on all the assets you can call in this forex industry, which you can see. I trade forex, I trade metals, and I also trade the synthetic indices. This strategy works on everything. Okay, so you can get this strategy, just have to check it out on the link in the description below.